Is that on? Alright. Hello guys, this is Jesse Wap 47. Today we're going to be doing 3-minute peanut butter eating challenge with no hands. Landon, do you want to give us a countdown?
3, 2, 1.
So good. It's very dry. Very dry.
Jesse doesn't believe in milk.
No milk. I believe in victory.
It's about 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Alright. I can do this. Halfway. Shut up! Don't stop, Dusty, keep going! Sorry for the TV in the background, guys. My parents are deaf. How are you doing? We're good. What's the time?
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
I'm doing it! I'm not getting it down. What's the time?
2:53.
Alright
3
guys,
minutes.
that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure like and just subscribe, guys.